I'm Consuelo, pelvic health physiotherapy resident at Proactive Pelvic Health Center in Toronto. Today, I will share an easy breathing tip to help your pelvic floor relax and get stronger. Your diaphragm and your pelvic floor work as a team. When one moves, the other one follows. Let's learn together that rhythm. You can lay on your back, sit, or stand tall like me, as a good posture gives your breathing and the pelvic floor the space to move. Let's start with the belly breathing. Put your one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose and feel your belly push out more than your chest. Then blow out gently through your lips and feel your belly pull in. When you feel that rise and fall in your belly, we're going to add your pelvic floor. For the pelvic floor lift, as you blow out, imagine you're gently lifting your pelvic floor muscles from your tailbone up towards your pubic bone. When you do both movements together, you have your breath and pelvic floor working together. It's really important though that between lift, the pelvic floor is completely relaxed. Let go all contraction around your pelvic floor before starting a new breathing cycle. You can use this breathing and lift co-contraction in your everyday activities. For example, take a belly breath with a pelvic lift on each exhale before you stand, bend, or lift something. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. First, breathe into your belly. Then lift your pelvic floor when you're breathing out. Keep a relaxed posture and relax your pelvic floor when you're breathing in. Practice this before everyday movements. I hope this exercise helps you develop a better pelvic floor awareness during daily activities and support a healthier, stronger core. Thanks for watching.